Alright guys, I posted yesterday on the Facebook page about this handle not wanting to open up the door without having to take it to the moon. So I went out and got these metal door handles like you guys were talking about, doorman handles, and while I'm in there I got all new door clips, and gonna get fancy with some boom matte speaker baffles for my new eBay special 6.5s. I figured while I'm in there I might as well do everything. So I'm gonna take the door panel off, hopefully with a couple of these. That's gonna help out. Gonna go easy with myself and use an impact. I got extended magnet because I know I drop everything, and a little inspection mirror just in case, so I can get in here and maybe see about them mechanisms you guys are speaking about, and shoot it with some PB blaster or WD. Also, I'm not sure what the stock wiring is for the speakers, for the grounds and the positive, so I got this really awesome power probe. You hook it to the battery and you can push that button and emit 12 volts or push it backwards and check for grounds. So hopefully I can jam on one and see if I can find out which one the ground is. Help me out. That looks factory. Not. Kind of cool with the 95. It's kind of one of my favorite years of the OBS trucks. My first one was a 1990 F250 when I was out of high school. It used to be an electrician service truck. It had the straight 6 in it, 5-speed, but it was only 2-wheel drive. And I loved that truck. Got rid of it. Always regretted it. And I seen this a few months ago. Pretty decent price, so I picked it up. It's only got like 110,000 on it. It's pretty nice. Used to be a service truck for a rock quarry. They'd run the dynamite down to the hole back and forth and they'd blow shit up. Well, there's dust, I mean, everywhere. I've cleaned on this thing for months. Three bolts? Guess we'll find out. These are pretty handy little tools. Pop door panels and everything. They don't scratch it all up. So, for you guys that don't know, these are pretty good and they're cheap. They come in a set of like, I think 5 or 6, but I only got 2 left. One more in there. There she is. Pretty easy. That looks factory. Whenever I take these off, I like to inspect where all the pins go to make sure they're not all busted up and broke and gone. And I mean, just look at the, I don't know if you can see that or not. Look how dusty that is. And it's either years of running or living in that quarry. So right now, off the rip, I see the problem. She's just loose. But it looks like I can probably... Well, that's nice. It's a self-tapper. Probably why. So, what I'll probably do is I'll go in the old garage and get a nut and a bolt and run that down and get that sucker squared away. Other than that, cable looks to be in good shape. Still works pretty good. The action's nice. It's not all oiled up and gunky. So I think that's probably the only issue. Somebody's been in here before and they've tuned on it and they got a self-tapper screw. I mean, that sucker's like that long in there. It's just ridiculous. If you don't know what you're doing, ask a question. Christ almighty. Alright, so we got an orange and a blue with a white tracer. Sound about right? Lots of dust. That's orange with a green tracer and blue with a white tracer. So I don't know which one is negative and which one is positive. So what I'm going to do is take my power probe and hook it up to the battery real quick and poke on it and see if I can figure out which one's ground. Not drop it on the ground. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll see if you can see that. Push up and you get 12 volts. Then you do the back, try to catch your grounds. Gotta find a good ground. We'll try that, see what happens. And that must be my ground. It's so filthy, it's barely making a reading, but like the pro I am, I forgot to look at the wiring schematic or write down which one was right front, left front, and all that good crap. So, whatever. I'll just look. It's fine. So, yeah, we found the issue. That little bugger right down there, I don't even know if you can see it. You see a hand. We're trying to hold the phone all reverse-like. Wiggling it right there. It's a self-tapper. I'm going to take it out of here and see what she's got to say. Come on. There it is. Oh. So yeah, that's what was holding the door handle in. Come on, guys. Alright. Let me know if you want to add anything, if I missed something. Appreciate you guys' help. See ya. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the door panel repair and the door handle repair. Everything's back together. Looks pretty good. Look how easy this opens now. Just like it's brand new. Just all day long. Love it. That is Rusty J's Garage. Quality work. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.